Hi guys, welcome to Update 3 on now Tropical Depression Eta, which has rapidly weakened after its phenomenal rapid intensification phase before it made landfall as a Category 4 on Nicaragua. Impacts very life-threatening there. Hopefully the death toll and the damages will not be as high as expected, although that is only a hope. Let's get into it. This is some satellite imagery. As you can see, very disorganized at the moment. Although expected to get better organized as we go on, still some very high cloud tops within that storm. Current winds are at 35 miles per hour with a pressure of 1,004 millibars, and its current movement is north-northwest at 8 miles per hour, which is not trucking it, but it's not slow either, so I'd call it a moderate movement at the moment. And eventual impacts for the Cayman Islands, Cuba, and Florida, as there is currently watches in effect for the Cayman Islands. Watches and warnings potentially being issued sometime tomorrow for Cuba and Florida, in my opinion. I believe it is likely that there will be watches and warnings issued for Cuba, and potentially even southern portions of Florida or the Keys sometime tomorrow. This is my current track and intensity forecast. I expect it to peak at around 70 miles per hour. I am not quite sure yet whether this will become a Category 1 hurricane or potentially more, again, as it already reached Category 4 status, or in my opinion, it did reach Category 5 status briefly, according to reconnaissance data. But nevertheless, I expect it to get close to Category 1 status in the next 5 days. Slightly higher intensity forecast in the NHC. NHC currently calling for 65 miles per hour. I am currently calling for 70. That is in the next 5 days before it re-enters the Gulf. Although the Gulf conditions not very favorable at the moment. Let's look at the PDA stages, and as you can see at the moment, currently only greens and blues. That could increase, or we could see some removal of some of these. Please do note that there should be some more blues extended out on Cuba from that green, so do note that. PDA Stage 2 currently for Cuba, as that will be the next impact on the list. Florida will come up next. Currently a 2 on the wind, a 2 on the surge, and a 3 on the rainfall, with the potential of 60 mile per hour winds in 60 to 65 mile per hour winds in Cuba, with a surge of potentially 3 to 5 feet, and rainfall expectancies around 10 inches at the moment. Thank you guys for watching Update 3 on Tropical Depression Eta. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching, and signing off.